Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just showing you what I picked up off Amazon. I got some really cool finds and things I really want to try out. So the first thing, let's get into the brushes, because I've been talking and raving about these brushes, the brush set, y'all. I don't know why I can't speak, but I've been raving about it in all the other videos, and I said I was going to show you guys in the haul, but I haven't done it yet. So now I'm just ready to sit down and show you all what it is that I got. So it's the Sochicbybianncaj. If I'm pronouncing that wrong, y'all let me know, but I'm pretty sure that's how that's pronounced. But yeah, so it's, you know, like I said, on Amazon.com. And so this is what it is. It's the nail art brush set, and I got the one that was $6.99. I just feel like the best one for what I needed it for. Let's see. Okay. Anyway, but it's 8 pieces. I believe 8-piece brush set. And here I am dropping it all over the place. Okay, so yeah, it came with, yes, 8 pieces. So you have the different dotting tools. I'm just gonna pull these out so I can show y'all real quick. So let me line it up according to the sizing. Wait. Okay, so it comes dual ended. So this is, I needed dotting tools that had larger sizes on them. So you can see this one is definitely a larger, that's the largest dotting dot. Probably showed up from the top so you guys can see the difference that way too. But you can see the difference in the sizing. And then they have really ones that are like super small, and they're like about that size. So you can kind of see the difference in the sizing of them. But I really love them. I used them on this set. You know, you guys already saw that, and I use it on the other sets that I did, the dottings, and I really want the new dotting tools. I had some already, but I didn't have ones that were this size, like a variation of sizes. So to me that was important because I use it a lot for different nail art. Then next I got, oh, hang on y'all. And the next thing that I got, or the next thing that came with it, I should say, were also these brushes. So these brushes here, as you all can see, and the reason I wanted to get them was because you see how the handles go up really far, the metal on them go up really far, and to me that was important because, you know, not all brushes are acetone resistant, and I also didn't want to pay like $20 a brush, because some places do sell brushes like that, and I mean, it's good to have high quality brushes as well, of course, don't get me wrong, but if I don't have to spend that much and I can get a fairly good, fairly high quality brush, I'm going to do that. But you all can see the difference in the length. So I wanted this one more like for Frenches. This is like, and they're also thinner than the ones that I have. So this would be good to like really fine line art, and the same with that one right there. These are really good for fine art and detail. I'm going to show you guys what I mean with the brushes. I wanted to make sure there were a certain, you know, having that metal piece on there. So as you guys can see, I have a collection of art brushes here. But the one particular I'm talking about with y'all, this is my faithful. She been through it though. Y'all can see. You see how eaten up this is down here? And that's because of the acetone. Because it all used to be the same size. But this brush, I'm telling you, she be doing what I needed to do. Because it's like I got it angled in a way and bent in a way that works just out. It just works perfectly for me. But I love this brush. I really do love this brush. But like I said, y'all, she's just been through it, you know. But I really wanted these do brushes, and I want to get some more brushes and everything like that. So maybe I'll switch some of these out. But I feel like I have a good collection of them, so I can kind of do any nail art that I need to do. So it's important to have a variety of nail art brushes. Anyway, moving on from the brushes. Put this away. Moving on from the brushes, y'all, I also got this, let's continue with Sochicbybianncaj. So I got this kit, and it's for spider gel. So it's actually a spider gel kit, and you just want to keep, you know, so let's see, it came with, and I've already used this on a few sets before, but it came with 6 colors. I don't know why I was going to count that, y'all, but it came with a white, let's see, It also came with a black, and it came with a red, which I think would be really awesome to have for Halloween. I'm glad I got this. Silver, what up? Gold, and it also came with a blue. But I think a lot of these colors will be good for Halloween, like the white, the black, the gold, the silver, and really that red, because I could do a lot of stuff with the red. I could do like a dripping, like a dripping kind of art, like almost like blood is dripping or something. Just, you know, make it really cool, or even like add like little spider webs or the spider gel. So maybe I'll do a video on that, like a demo, and show you guys kind of how to do that. And I will insert a photo of the gel, not a photo, but like, you know, a video of how I used it before. I actually bought it because a client specifically wanted something I needed spider gel for, and before that I didn't have it. So sometimes I like to buy things as I go, because then I'll find I'll get it that way versus just buying something and never using it. But you all can see, like, it's very, you know, it's good. It's really good. And it came sealed. They all come sealed. I haven't opened all of them. There's only some I've opened because, of course, you know, I had to use them. So there's that. So let me see. I don't think I've opened this one. The blue. No. So that's how they come sealed. So that's good. So none of them spill or anything like that. And they're packaged very well. And I think, again, I only paid, I think I only paid like $11 or $10 for this set. So it wasn't bad. And they have a set with more colors, but I just wanted the basics because I really didn't need it, the extended colors for what I was doing for that set. I am really happy with that. So these are only two products that I've used both of them on. I plan to use this next product later today because I really want to try it out and see what the, like, if it's good or not. I have a reflective gel from a different brand that I got from my local nail supply store, and that's good too. But I also see, like, you know, Kiara Sky has ones. I just haven't, I don't know, I'm not sure if I want to invest in that because at the same time, some people overhype things or it's not really what you expect for it to be. Like, there's, you know, there's quality control in some things. I don't know, you guys. So I'm just gonna wait a second on that, or I want to see if I can go to like a nail supply store and try it out in store to see if it's really what people are saying it is. But anyway, so this is called the Shine Myself. It's the Born Pretty. It's the reflective gel. And, you know, this is, like I said, on Amazon. And I think this was only like $7. So I'm not mad at this for what I paid for it. It's not bad. So even if it doesn't work out completely, I don't feel like I lost a whole bunch of money. Whereas if I bought like a set that had like, you know, 6 colors in there, each one of them for $12, and I'm spending like $70 to $80, might be a little mad, okay? But this is, you know, it's okay. So it comes with, like I said, the 6 colors. So let's see, hold on one second. Just 6 different colors. But yeah, y'all, I'm changing my nails today. I got bored with these, and I want to cut them down a little bit because it's hard for me to, as you all can see, to maneuver and do things. So just plan to cut them down just a little bit. Okay. So the first one, let's see. So it comes with like a gold color. I need to swatch these. That's very, very pretty. It's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty. But you know, these are the reflective gels, so you probably want to do it on with the flash. Let's turn the flash on. Let me see if that makes a difference. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Y'all see that? That's gorgeous. Okay. Not mad at that. Not mad at that one. Let's see this next one. That one's pretty too. It's like a gold, like a bronzy silver kind of gold color. That's really pretty. And then I also do have, ooh, that's pretty too. Actually, this would be really popular for Valentine's. Can y'all imagine? That looks really good. I really wish I got like a teal color, like a teal green. Oh my god, I really want a color like that one. And then this is kind of like a silvery blue to me. I guess it's kind of silver. Yeah, it's silver, I guess. More silver than blue. But that's pretty as well. I think this one is the more of the blue toned one, as you can see on the label here. Yeah, this one's definitely more blue. It's almost like icy, like an iridescent. That's pretty too. That's really pretty. And this is purple, like a purpley color. Oh yeah, oh that's pretty, that's gorgeous, that's gorgeous. Oh yeah, y'all, I think I'm going to use this one because my idea is I'm thinking I'm going to put it underneath the nail, because I want to do like a chrome, like a purple chrome tip and like a nude or something, like a matte, thinking like a matte nude back here, and then like purple, like chrome, like a really pretty like light, like unicornish lavender chrome kind of, and then maybe like doing like a little tip under there like that. That'd be really pretty. Or also thinking about going to the fall direction, so if I do decide to do that, I probably would use something like this. I have two different ideas in my mind. I just need to kind of pinpoint which one it is I'm exactly am going to do, and whichever one I choose not to do it myself, I'll do in my practice hand and I'll film that for you, so you guys will see both. I still have to figure out what I want to use, but those are the colors. I really and I will like add in whether or not, you know, in the next video I'll let you guys know how I feel about it and my thoughts on it, but I just want to show you what I picked up, what I got, so you guys can kind of see that. But aside from that, yeah, you guys, that's basically it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and that you guys will tune into the one that I drop pretty soon. Turn that flash off. That you guys will tune into the one that I drop next after this one. So like I said, just stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next one. And let me know if you have any questions down below. I'll be sure to respond and get back to you all. And I'll be going in and updating all my videos tomorrow to add in all the links and stuff like that. It's just hard for me to do it right when I upload it, because I schedule my uploads, turn on the post at a certain time, and then sometimes I'll have school or like a test study for all this stuff. So my week's gonna be a little bit hectic, but I promise I will go ahead and update that for you guys so you can have the information. But I will see you guys in the next one, and stay safe out here. Bye.